today that recite basmalah and reading verse all together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabban wa bil islami dinan wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasulan. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Okay, class, I will take your name first, and when I call your name, please say present or right here. Acung,
Present.
Hilmi, Garin, Vega,
Present.
Alma,
Good.
Raffi,
Present.
Vega,
Present.
Izzy,
Present.
Rina,
Present.
Alfie, present, Linda, present, and Sierra. Now, we are going to learn about descriptive text. Okay? But before we start the lesson, I will send you the test. You can do it in 2 minutes. Are you done, guys? No. Have you done, guys? Okay. Now, from the descriptive text, look at this picture. What flower is this? Rose. Yes, correct. And do you like the flower?
Yes.
What do you favorite flower?
Jasmine. Lily.
Sunflower. And then? Rose. Okay. From your favorite flower, can you describe? But from the picture, you can see this. Rose have color, red color, and then has a leaf green, and then the flower has thorns in colors. Right? You understand? Then we will move to the material. From the material is descriptive text. Alright, the first is the definition of the descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type that aims to describe a person, place, object, or event in object or thing so the reader can imagine clearly. And the social function is different from the definition. In the definition is tell the reader is what is descriptive text. So the answer is a type that aims to describe a person, place, object, given in detail. But the social function is what is descriptive text used for. So the answer is to describe a particular person, place, object, or thing. So the reader can imagine it. And then the genetic structure. The genetic structure of descriptive text is first is identification. This part introduces and identifies the person, place, object, or things that will be described. And the second is description. This part describes the characteristics, qualities, and other specific details of the subject. And then the language feature of descriptive text. First is simple present tense, used to describe various facts, habits, and general truth. So the example is he is very friendly, and then see, and the school customers are going. And the second is specific participant, focuses on a particular person, place, animals, object, or things. For example, is the mother will brew and go. And then use adjectives. Used to describe the characteristic or quality of the subject. For example, beautiful, tall, and colorful. And then leading verbs. Used to connect the subject with its description. For example, is, are, has, have. And then, for the example, I will be read. The example is rose flower. A rose is beautiful flower that is popular all over the world. It is often called the symbol of love and beauty. A rose has soft and colorful petals. It usually comes in red, pink, white, yellow, and many other colors. The flower has a sweet fragrance that makes it attractive. The stem is green and covered with small thorns. Rose grow well in gardens and need enough the sunlight and water. Many people like rose because they are beautiful. From the example, can you tell me what is the identification? What part? Yes. This part is identification. And what is the description?
A rose is soft and colorful petals.
Yeah, that's correct. And now, for the assignment, I will be divide you into a group. And this group will make a single description of the flower. I will be share the assignment, and you have to work with your groups, and then you have to come to work to present. Right? Okay. Have you done, guys?
Not
Yeah. Have you done, guys?
Yes.
Alright. Now you have to present your assignment from group 1. Can you come forward? Group 1.
Group 1. My personal name. Jasmine. Jasmine is a small flower with soft white background and sweet fragrance. It is often used in garden, perfumes, and traditional ceremonies because of its beautiful scent and elegant appearance.
Can you, sorry? Is it extracted?
Jasmine is identification, and for the second paragraph is description, and the last is I am done.
My favorite flower, sunflower trees. Sunflower is a beautiful flowering plant that is famous for its large yellow petals and tall stem. Sunflower seed can cultivated for food, oil, and ornamental purposes.
Okay, can you identify the next section?
For identification is a sunflower, and then description is sunflower seed can cultivated for food, oil, and ornamental purposes.
Okay, give applause. Okay, group 3.
My favorite flower, tulips. Tulip is a famous spring flower from the Netherlands. It has cup-shaped petals with many colors like purple and pink. The stem is long and green, and the leaves are thick. Tulip looks small but very beautiful.
Okay, can you identify the genetic structure?
Yes.
The identification is
Tulip is a family from the Netherlands. And then the description is as the beautiful.
okay, give applause. The last group, group 4.
My favorite color is flower. Rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. It is one of the most popular flowers in the world. Rose come in many colors such as red, pink, white, yellow, and orange. Rose can grow in gardens and flowers plots.
Okay, can you identify the genetic structure?
The first is right identification. A rose is a beautiful flower, and then description is it is blah 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 until what?
Okay, give applause. Okay guys, you have done the operation in the computer. Now, from we end the class, you almost asked. Do you have to do it quickly? Have you done, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. From the class today, what we learned today? What is the genetic structure? Okay. And then now you can describe your own flowers. And then anything?
Yes.
Okay. Before we end the class today, recite Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.